What's up, friends? My name is Madhav, and I'm a professional bartender and a bar consultant. For the past several years, I've been working with different restaurants and curating their beverage programs, like Shiso, Do Number 3, The Bag, Baller, and many more. My cocktails have been featured in leading magazines and publications like GQ, Elle, Lifestyle Asia, Femina, and many more. And now I'm starting my content creation journey, where I'll be teaching you the real secrets of bartending and modern mixology. In this, I'll cover modern mixology techniques, acids, emulsifiers, stabilizers, fermentation, spirits, and of course, cocktails that you can make at home. My goal is to give you a professional and a clear understanding of how drinks are crafted and how bartenders keep their bar game strong. If you truly want to learn about cocktails, mixology, and bar culture, follow this journey and subscribe to the channel. Welcome to Mad Lab & Co.